Mike, I cannot see you back here with another Didgeridoo tutorial about the breath. So the breath is one of the three pillars of the Didgeridoo sound. It's also the inhalation and exhalation, the inspiration and expiration. I call it the vital force, which is the exhalation, and the life, which is the inhalation. So let me show you what I'm talking about. It's quite simple. Hi guys, welcome back to the video Didgeridoo tutorial about the breath, the vital force or the life. So the vital force is the push, the life is the pull, and this way you have a nice representation of what the sound really is. So everything falls in the two categories, the push or the pull. Now the breath is actually a very tiring, and the didgeridoo is a physical instrument. When you play it, it's quite demanding, and the reason for it is that the breath takes a lot of effort to the breath exchange, the in and the out. So in order to reduce the effort, what we do in the beginning, in the first year or two, depending on the time you practice, the efficiency of the breath, which is minimum effort for maximum efficiency. So for this we have 3 points in our body to remember. I will show you. So the 3 points are the second chakra, or the belly muscles. Pulled in. To increase efficiency of the breath, you need to pull this in. The second thing is open the sternum, which is this movement of opening and bringing the shoulders down. So that's the second thing to do to reduce the breath effort. And the third thing is to keep your head straight. This way your voice is not closed, so I'm not like this. This is a bad way of playing. And if you watch my back, I'm in a perfect posture like this. So tight belly, open the sternum, and keep the head straight. Another thing to know is the rule of 80. So as you breathe, you should stay around 80% and 50% of your breath in the lungs, and this way your breathing will take less effort. Let's go to some exercises. This way you see more clearly what I'm talking about. So the breath. The push is this. And the pull is this. So now that's the basic sound. The pull, if you link it to the push, will be more like. And what we see in order to make circular breathing work is that you need to reach a certain speed, otherwise your continuous sound goes away. And that certain speed is around 60 BPM, because once you have a number, everything opens up. So the main idea to play rhythms with the belly is the push and pull, which I just showed you. So that's a binary beat. That's 1, 2. If we have a ternary, so it's ha, ha, and then you repeat this. So. And the 4-count beat rhythm would be ha, 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 ha. So now you have a basic understanding of how the breath works in a rhythm. Of course, then if we add articulations and we add the connection, complexity, then everything starts to change. But the breath is one of the three pillars. You have to see it as a big bag of air compared to the wa sound, which is the mouth cavity, the pull. So we have a big bag of air in the lungs and a small bag of air in the mouth. Okay, I hope the video was clear, and don't hesitate to check out the other two videos about the three pillars, which are the connection and the articulation. And there, I leave you with that. You can give it a thumbs up if you found it interesting and inspiring. You can let me know if you have other ideas or questions. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and bye-bye.